Hi, little guy. Are you a friendly bird? You gonna bite me? If I had some food, I'd give you some. I got some bacon flavored sandwichki if you want. You want some bacon sandwichki? I'll go get you bacon sandwichki. If this guy lets me pick him up, I have a pet raven. La la, la la birdie. La 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 la. New birdie, who dis? Tamed the raven. I feel like an evil supervillain petting my pet raven. Trying to see what he likes to eat, but Bastard ain't eating yet. He's eyeing the fish. Off limits. No. But Jisha. There you go. No need to make all the grumbly, growly noises. Chill out, bro, chacho.